Well, we're on Fulton County Jail watch. Between now and Friday at noon, 19 people, including Donald Trump, have to surrender to the Fulton County Court. Now, today there were only two. One was Scott Hall. He's some guy from Georgia, don't know much about him. But the other one was John Eastman. He was essentially the architect of the coup. Now, he went in there, paid his $100,000 bond. He got booked and then got the fuck out of there. But on the way out, some media folks came up and said, "Say, Johnny, do you still think the election was stolen?" He looked at them and very confidently said, "Yes, definitely. I absolutely think it was stolen." You stick with that, John. See how that works. See, the thing I don't understand about John Eastman is this. Supposed to be a smart guy. Somehow he gets his law degree from Harvard, but can't figure out how to trim his nose hair. What the fuck is that? And then there's Mark Meadows. He hasn't turned himself in as yet. You know, he filed a couple motions, one to get his case sent to federal court, and another one just to get it dismissed for no particular reason. So he's fighting this thing all the way. And he's got a hearing on these two issues on Monday. The only problem is the deadline to surrender is Friday. So Mark Meadows goes over to Fani Willis and says, "Hey, Fani, got a minute? I need a couple-day extension because my court case is on Monday." Fani looks at him and says, "Fuck no, bitch. I gave you 2 weeks. That was more than generous. Be there on Friday or we're putting out a warrant for your arrest." Well, Mark Meadows still thinks he's special, so now he's trying to put an emergency request in to have that hearing come sometime before Friday. Here's the bottom line, though. Even if he has these two issued heard, he's going to lose them anyway. It doesn't fucking matter. He is going to have to surrender. He is going to be booked. Now, there's another guy. Remember Jeff Clark? He worked in the Attorney General's office, and he was the one that was going to be replacing interim Attorney General Rosen when Donald Trump wanted to put him there to overthrow the country. You remember that guy. He was a fucking clown. Now he's just saying, look, Fani Willis can't arrest me and I'm not even coming in. I got to tell you something. If I was going to double dog dare somebody, it wouldn't be Fani fucking Willis. You go ahead, Jeff. You stay where you are because Fani will come to get your sorry ass. And the last one is Jenna Ellis. Jenna Ellis has got a $100,000 bond, and she's been doing nothing but whining about the fact that Donald Trump won't pay her legal bills. Well, Jenna, what did you think? Are you surprised Donald Trump left you twisted in the wind? To me, Jenna Ellis seems like a prime prospect to flip.